I hope all of you doing fine in this lockdown. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Today we are going to compare two mid-range smartphones, Samsung Galaxy M31s and OnePlus Nord. So let's start the video. Samsung Galaxy M31s has just been unveiled as the follow-up to the not too old Samsung Galaxy M31. The phone comes with an impressive specifications for the price, including a massive 6000 mAh battery and a quad rear camera setup. On the other hand, OnePlus Nord that comes in another value propositions also comes with impressive specifications and a relatively budget-friendly price tag. So let's put this phone head to head and see what makes them unique. Let's see the color variant of the mobile phones. Samsung Galaxy M31s is available in two color variant, Mirage Black and Mirage Blue. One on the other hand, OnePlus Nord is available in Grey Onyx and Marble Blue. Now head towards the camera setup. Both mobile phones have impressive cameras. Both phones have a quad rear camera setup. The one in Samsung Galaxy M31s includes 64 megapixel primary sensor with an aperture f1.8 and a 12 megapixel secondary sensor with an ultra wide angle lens and a 5 megapixel depth shooter and a 5 megapixel macro shooter. Here are some pictures clicked by rear camera. For selfies, you get 32 megapixel sensor housed in a hole punch cutout. Here are some pictures clicked by front camera. On the other hand, OnePlus Nord has 48 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel macro shooter with a 5 megapixel depth shooter. Here are some pictures clicked by rear camera. Talking about the front cameras, there is a dual camera setup. It includes 32 megapixel sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Here are some pictures clicked by front camera. In terms of battery, Samsung Galaxy M31s packs with a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 25 watt fast charging. On the other hand, OnePlus Nord comes with a 4115 mAh battery but supports Warp Charge 30T, fast charging of 30 watt. Both have Type-C port. Talking about the display, Samsung provides 6.5 inches Full HD Super AMOLED Infinity O display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. OnePlus provides 6.44 inches Full HD Fluid AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Talking about the specification, Samsung Galaxy M31s runs on One UI which is powered by Android 10. On the other hand, OnePlus Nord which is runs on Oxygen OS 10.5 which is also powered by Android 10. Talking about the sensors, both M31s and OnePlus Nord has Face ID and fingerprint protection. Samsung Galaxy M31 is available on Amazon.com from 5th of August and OnePlus Nord is also available on Amazon.com from 4th of August. Talking about the prices, Samsung Galaxy M31 has two variants, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage worth of rupees 16,000. Second variant, 6GB RAM, 120GB storage, 17,000. On the other side, OnePlus Nord has two variants, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, 28,000 and 12GB to 56GB storage, 30,000 rupees. So if you think to buy one of mobile phones above, link is given in description, so check it out. And if you think this video is informative, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch such more videos. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.